Number 1.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900. It has been well cared for and is ready to serve as an excellent daily driver. Powered by a gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, this truck has been driven 193,000 miles and features a tan exterior paired with a matching tan interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. The cabin is well maintained, offering a tidy interior that reflects its overall condition. This truck is equipped with cold air conditioning for added comfort, making it enjoyable to drive in any season. It also comes with a set of new tires, enhancing both safety and ride quality. Combining reliability, comfort, and practicality, this 1991 Chevrolet 1500 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup that is ready to hit the road.
Number 2. 1994 Ford F-150, price $9,900, powered by a dependable 4.9L inline-6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. With 123,000 miles on the odometer, it has been carefully maintained and remains a reliable choice for daily driving or weekend cruising. The truck features a bold red exterior that pairs nicely with its clean silver interior. Recent maintenance includes new spark plugs, ignition wires, fresh engine oil, and new filters, helping keep the engine running smoothly and efficiently. In addition to its solid mechanical condition, this F-150 has received several tasteful upgrades that improve both comfort and performance. It is equipped with a brand new air conditioning system, a front leveling kit, and a full set of new tires, enhancing both ride quality and road presence. The upgraded Bluetooth audio system includes two 6-inch Pioneer door speakers, two 6x9 Pioneer speakers, and a 10-inch subwoofer, delivering excellent sound throughout the cabin. Number 3.
1994 Nissan pickup, price $7,950. It has been driven just 100,000 original miles. It is equipped with a gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, finished in a classic blue exterior with a clean gray interior. The extended cab design adds extra practicality, while the truck's legendary Nissan reliability makes it an excellent choice for dependable daily use. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, and its clean interior reflects the care it has received throughout its life. With its classic body style, original ownership history, and excellent overall condition, this Nissan pickup is ideal as a daily driver, a weekend truck, or a collectible vehicle.
Compact Nissan pickups are well known for their durability and longevity, and examples this original with such low mileage and a single-owner history are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Number 4.
2002 Ford F-150, price $4,800. It has been driven 98,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a blue exterior with a beige interior and powered by a gasoline engine, this truck runs very well and has been kept in excellent mechanical condition. The engine, transmission, suspension, steering, and brakes are all reported to be in great shape, providing a dependable and smooth driving experience. Additional highlights include a brand new set of tires, a hard bed cover for added cargo protection, and an air conditioning system that blows cold. With only minimal rust, this F-150 has been well cared for and offers a solid combination of reliability, comfort, and practicality, making it an excellent choice for both everyday driving and light-duty work.
Number 5.
1977 Ford F-150, price $7,500, powered by a reliable 400M V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth C6 automatic transmission. It is a 2WD truck equipped with power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. Having been driven only 39,000 miles, this classic pickup is finished in a vibrant orange exterior with a clean blue interior, while the title verifies approximately 34,000 miles, supporting its low mileage history. The truck has been exceptionally well maintained, featuring a very clean body with only a couple of small bubbles on the hood. The bed is spotless inside and out, the cab is clean, and the interior remains in excellent condition. It has received numerous recent upgrades, including a complete new brake system, new tires, a new starter, a new battery, and a dual exhaust system. Running and driving very well, this F-150 is a dependable classic pickup that is ready to be enjoyed.
Number 6.
1992 Ford Ranger, price $4,500, showing just 43,000 original miles. This gasoline-powered truck is equipped with a dependable 4.0 LOHV V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a clean white exterior complemented by a black interior, giving the truck a timeless and well-kept appearance. With a clean title, a clean Carfax report, and registration valid through July 2027, this Ranger offers confidence for its next owner while retaining its classic appeal. this Ranger has been carefully preserved and continues to run and drive great, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Its low mileage, documented California history, and solid mechanical condition make it a standout example of a first-generation Ranger. Whether it is being considered as a dependable daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or a collectible compact pickup, this Custom XL offers reliability, originality, and long-term value in a clean, honest package.
Number 7.
1998 Toyota Tacoma, price $7,500. It has been driven 275,000 miles and features a manual transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, this 4x4 pickup is equipped with a 5-speed manual gearbox and a factory rear electronic locking differential. The transmission and air conditioning are both reported to be in excellent working condition, and the truck still runs, although it is believed to have a cracked cylinder head. Given the high mileage, the engine will likely need to be replaced. The suspension currently requires attention, but the sale includes several valuable upgrade components that have not yet been installed. These include Toytech coilovers, SPC upper control arms, newer rear leaf springs with ATA leafs, and Bilstein rear shocks.
Number 8.
1983 Toyota pickup, price $9,000, powered by the reliable 22 or gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission. It has 137,000 miles on the odometer and continues to serve as a smooth and dependable daily driver. The truck features a bright yellow exterior matched with a clean beige interior, giving it a timeless appearance that reflects its well-maintained condition. It also comes with a clean California title and current 2026 California registration. Mechanically, this Toyota has been cared for with several recent updates, including serviced and fully functional air conditioning along with new front brakes and rotors for improved driving confidence. The engine runs smoothly, offering the reliability that the 22R is known for, while its solid overall condition makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a classic pickup that is both enjoyable to drive and practical for regular use.
Number 9.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, powered by a 5.0L 305 Vortec V8 engine and has 261,000 miles on the odometer. The truck is equipped with power windows, power locks, a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and a fully functional air conditioning system, providing a comfortable driving experience. It also retains its factory AM/FM stereo cassette player, adding to its original character. While the truck does require some TLC and has some visible rust, it remains a very clean and honest example for its age. It is not represented as a show truck or a perfect restoration, but rather as a solid, well-maintained original pickup that offers classic styling, dependable V8 performance, and plenty of potential for its next owner.
Number 10.
1995 Ford F-150, price $2,500, powered by a dependable 4.9L inline-6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With 124,000 miles on the odometer, it features a classic red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior. This truck has received several important maintenance updates, including new front disc brakes, new rear brakes, a new front fuel tank and sending unit, as well as a new muffler and tailpipe. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives well, making it a practical and affordable option for anyone looking for a reliable daily driver with classic Ford durability. Despite being over 3 decades old, this F-150 has remained in its original factory configuration,
preserving its authentic character.
The truck offers a straightforward, no-nonsense driving experience and has been cared for to keep it roadworthy and dependable. The only known issue is that the air conditioning currently needs a recharge, but otherwise it is ready to be driven and enjoyed.